For the past about 3 years, there has been a committee hard at work on a complete rewrite of the rules of discipline. They released a proposal of that about a year and a half ago, took in a lot of feedback, and incorporated much of that into a revision. That revision has now been made public, and they're receiving comments again, and then will take that into account and release a final proposal in the fall of 2019 that will then come to the General Assembly in Baltimore in 2020. If the General Assembly passes that, it will then go to presbyteries, and if the requisite number of presbyteries ratify it, it would then become part of the Book of Order, which means that the earliest that it takes hold in terms of our polity is the summer of 2021. For that reason, I am not teaching you the new rules of discipline because we don't actually know what that final proposal is going to be, nor has it been passed. I did attach that so you could see the work that's going on because there's substantial changes, but what I'm going to do is teach you the present rules of discipline with the understanding that there actually could be kind of early in your ministry, or even actually before you're ordained, depending on when that happens for you, a substantial revision to that. So take into this account, be aware of these changes, and then you will likely, although there are no promises, need to adjust some of your understandings of how this section of the Book of Order works as you head into your ministry. Enjoy.